A blacked-out SE model replaces the low-cost EX trim for 2025. The SE comes standard with black window trim, black 17-inch aluminum wheels, black mirror caps, and a black shark fin antenna on the roof. The SE's cabin also gets dressed up with a few extra niceties such as a 10-way power driver's seat, a power sunroof, dual-zone automatic climate control, and heated front seats. All models now come with rear climate control vents and 2 rear USB-C ports. Hybrid models get a new 15-watt wireless phone charging pad, and the Touring trim now comes standard with a heated steering wheel. The price of the 2025 Honda Accord starts at $29,390 and goes up to $40,395 depending on the trim and options. The Accord's LX and SE trims are powered by a turbocharged 1.5-liter 4-cylinder engine that makes 192 horsepower and drives the front wheels through a CVT. Like previous generations of the Accord, it doesn't offer all-wheel drive. The hybrid powertrain takes a more prominent position in the lineup. It consists of a 2.0-liter 4-cylinder and 2 electric motors that combine for 204 horsepower, and it's the only powertrain offered on Sport, EXL, Sport L, and Touring models. The Accord is smooth, quiet, and composed, and remains as refined and fun to drive as ever. Its handling is confidence-inspiring, with precise steering, well-controlled body motions, and a compliant ride, a combination that drivers are sure to appreciate as much as our editors do. According to the EPA, the Accord Hybrid is good for 51 miles per gallon city and 48 miles per gallon highway. Fuel economy numbers for the non-hybrid Accord aren't as impressive at 29 miles per gallon city and 37 miles per gallon highway. But on our 75 miles per hour highway fuel economy route, the non-hybrid Accord managed 40 miles per gallon. The hybrid we tested achieved 39 miles per gallon on the highway, which should be good for as much as 490 miles of driving between fill-ups. Like the exterior, the Accord's cabin wears a sleek design with elements borrowed from the elsewhere in the Honda lineup that help tie them together with familial DNA. The air vents, for example, hide behind an expanse of honeycomb trim, a clever design element also found in both the Civic and the CR-V SUV. The Accord's front seats support torsos firmly, and the trunk has been carefully shaped to hold up to 16.7 cubic feet of cargo. While LX, SE, and Sport trims come with cloth upholstery, all others come with leather. An upright 7.0 or 12.3-inch touchscreen display provides easy access to the Accord's infotainment system, and all models, regardless of trim, come with a 10.2-inch digital gauge display standard. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are included across the lineup, but only those with the larger 12.3-inch touchscreen offer wireless connectivity for those features. High-end Touring trims come with a 6.0-inch head-up display and a 12-speaker Bose stereo system.